Is your iPhone stuck on a green screen and you can't even unlock it or access settings? This issue can be caused by system crashes, failed updates, or display glitches. In this video, we'll show you several effective ways to fix an iPhone stuck on a green screen. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later models, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down and side button together until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s or earlier models, press and hold both the home button and the power button until the Apple logo appears. Method 2. Use recovery mode with iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to a computer and put it into recovery mode using the button combination. Then open iTunes or Finder. When pop-up, choose Update to reinstall iOS system without erasing data. If that fails, select Restore, which will erase your device but can fix deeper issues. Method 3. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery. If you want a faster and more effective solution, try TunesKit iOS system recovery. This tool is designed to fix iOS system problems when your iPhone is stuck or unresponsive. Just connect your device to a computer, launch the program and choose iOS System Repair. Click Start, select Standard Repair to fix your iPhone without losing data. Next, confirm your device information and download the firmware package. When the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. It will repair your iPhone system without data loss. After the process, your iPhone should exit the green screen and return to normal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.